with Kaiser Grieshaber celebrating the big number 2. I'm digging that hat right there as well. I'm down with stocking cap.
Cool dinosaurs on your shirt.
I'm digging that shirt too.
Yeah.
I like that. Happy birthday to Kaiser.
All right, and we've got a 4-year-old in Carl Junction now, Creighton Dooley. Happy birthday.
This is a really cool name.
Ooh.
Well, Creighton's a cool name too.
It looks like he's getting ready to do some hunting. He's in his camo, He's got his binoculars.
He's ready to rock. Now, Creighton's a cool name. Check this name out. Liberty Bell.
Oh, that's cool. I love the spelling.
Isn't that cool? Liberty Bell Green. That is awesome right there. Kudos to Mom and Dad for coming up with that one. That is tremendous. Liberty Bell celebrating her 6th. And Liberty Bell, I want you to know that this comes with love from Aunt Yaya and Uncle Bam Bam. That's great. And she is in Weir.
I was waiting for you to read that.
You know what? Yes. Great trivia question. I'm gonna ask everybody at home that. Did you know the Liberty Bell is in Weir, Kansas? How about that?
That's awesome. All right, happy birthday, Liberty. And Kinley Johnson is 7 strong this year. Kinley is celebrating in Oswego, Kansas.
Not too far down the road in Mound Valley is where we find Braden Hetty. I tell you what, man, being a big brother, it can be taxing on anybody. And so, Braden, a very happy 12th birthday to you. I hope you get a little time to celebrate on your own there, instead of trying to, show the ways of the world to the little one.
All right, and we've got Christopher Stewart celebrating birthday number, I skipped one. I'm so sorry. Traven Higgins is 12 years old. We'll get to Christopher in a second. Traven is 12 in Oswego.
Makes me long for the warmer weather right there, Traven. Christopher Stewart, he is celebrating his 18th birthday. Christopher, I want you to have marvelous, marvelous birthday in Girard.
All right, happy birthday, Christopher. Megan Russian celebrating birthday number 25 this year. Megan is down in Miami. Looks like a problem.
In Scammon is where we find a smiling James Humble as he celebrates his 26th. James, a happy birthday to you.
All right. In Frontenac, turning 52 this year, it's Mandy Mirando. Happy birthday, Mandy.
Happy birthday, Mandy. Also turning 52 is one Cindy Wagner. And that's pretty cool right there.
She's the bird whisperer.
That is pretty cool. Also, kudos to whoever grabbed the picture at the perfect time, right? Cindy celebrates in Carterville.
That's pretty cool. The look on her eyes. Take it fast. Take it. Take it. Did you get it? All right, next up on our list, Laura McQueen. 52 is the number to be this year, I think. Look at that. Laura McQueen is 52 in Fredonia.
I like all these.
Mandy, Cindy, Laura, happy 52nd.
I love these summer picks that are coming back too.
Yeah.
Everybody's like, it's December. Let's remember what we did this summer. That's great. We got the McCullum twins. We've got Randy and Ronnie who are celebrating their 70th birthday. Randy, Ronnie, a big happy birthday to you. The McCullums, they are in Fredonia.
I like that picture. All right, Connie Sarwinski turning 78 years old this year. What a lovely picture there of Miss Connie. She is in Columbus.
Connie, a very happy birthday to you. That's gonna be a family birthday party now. You mark my words, it is going to be. Also in Columbus, we've got a special birthday for Mary DePriest. Miss Mary is celebrating her 91st, and she has the hat and flowers that are appropriate on this birthday weekend. Mary, happy birthday.
That is not just a hat, that is a crown fit for a queen.
Thank you.
Yes.
That is.
Happy birthday, Marie. And we've got another Marie here. This one, Marie Wheeler. We've got love coming from the entire family.
No joke.
Celebrating in Fort Scott. Happy birthday.
Look at that. That's going to be a party as well right there at the Wheeler household.
What a beautiful family. Love it. Love it.
Well, and the whole thing is, I bet you she probably cooks Thanksgiving for everybody. She just had everybody over. And then they're going to turn around and do it again for her birthday.
Yeah, it's their turn to cook for her. Yep.
Maria Brown, she is celebrating a birthday, and a marvelous picture right there. Miss Brown, I want you to know that these birthday wishes come with love from the entire family.
I wonder if she pronounces it Mary Jo.
Mary Jo, my bad.
I don't know. That's a really beautiful spelling.
I guarantee you're right.
Beautiful spelling. I'm curious.
I guarantee you're right on that one.
Okay.
That's a really cool spelling as well. Shout out to Mary Jo's mom and dad for coming up with that one.
Yeah, I like that. Let's see, the Powells are celebrating 11 years of wedded bliss. What a beautiful picture of Tyler and Brooke Powell. They're in Pittsburgh.
I might take some wardrobe trips there from Tyler. Sharp dressed dude right there. How much you want bet? How much you want bet Brooke was behind it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tyler's a sharp dressed dude, but I got to give Brooke all the credit because maybe that's why he is a sharp dressed dude. So Brooke, don't think that I don't notice that. Congratulations to the Powells. Tammy Simon, a happy birthday in Girard. We've got Cali Snyder, who's celebrating number 27. Cali is in Carterville. And Tom Godel, a happy birthday to Mr. Tom in Columbus.
Donna Volk. Donna is in Carterville. Happy birthday to you. The Purdy's are celebrating their 39th anniversary this year. They're in Erie, Kansas. Dale and Terry Purdy, congratulations. And Tom and Shelley LaTurner are celebrating their 30th anniversary this year.
It seemed like there were quite a few birthdays in Oswego here earlier, and I don't want to leave out Larry Richardson because he's celebrating a birthday in Oswego as well. Charlene Springer. Happy 72nd, Miss Charlene. She is in Prescott. And Deborah Lee Babb, a happy 22nd to Deborah Lee in Miami.
And Betty Wills celebrating a birthday down in Miami as well. And in Pittsburgh, turning 34 this year, Trevor Ridgway. Happy birthday.
I kind of want to go with the old song, "It Don't Matter Who's in Austin, Betty Wills is Still the Queen." I like that one. Happy birthday, Betty. All right, happy birthday, happy anniversary to all as we head into this first weekend of December. That's where you can send them into via email, birthdays@koamtv.com. Remember, that's birthdays with an S. Or if you choose to go online, koamnewsnow.com. And speaking of our website, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
If you are